Satisfy your taste buds and your body with vegan fitness food. Eating vegan doesn't mean compromising on taste or your fitness goals. Discover the magic of plant-based diet for optimal health and performance. Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of vegan fitness food. Say goodbye to your concerns about protein and muscle building. Our kitchen is bustling with the flavors of whole grains, legumes, seeds, nuts, fruits, and vegetables, each with their unique nutrient profiles. Learn how to make protein-packed, tasty meals that ensure your body gets what it needs, without the unwanted extras from animal sources. Experience the surge of energy and the improved recovery time that comes with a balanced, vegan diet. Your gym results will thank you. At the end of our journey, you'll not just be a convert to vegan fitness food, you'll become its biggest advocate. Join us now.